everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps a lot with putting my videos out there, plus it's free. This week we're doing a Valentine's Day set of nails. We're using the Morovan Polygel Nail Kit from Amazon, which I'll leave the link down below, of course. I just poured in my slip solution into my damp dish. I'm going to be using nude and white polygel. Let's go ahead and file down our nails. Make sure you brush all residue from filing. I have my base and top coat here. Apply base coat to nails and cure that for 120 seconds or until dry. Got my dual form cream measured. Now to get started. I like to apply some slip solution on dual form before applying polygel to have a smoother surface. I'm using white for my thumb, index, and pinky finger. Apply a small portion and work your way up from there. Twist and turn softly and voila, so satisfying to take off the dual form. And you got your first nail. So I'm going to repeat the exact same thing like I said to my index finger and my pinky using the white polygel. to be using the nude polygel in my middle and ring finger. Twist and turn to remove the dual forms. That should be a song I should create. Should I? Let's continue with our ring finger, which is going to be nude as well. Last one, which is white polygel for the pinky finger. before filing and buffing, and these are the nails after. So, I'm going to be using red glitter to cover up the nails that are white, which are the thumb, index, and pinky. And beautiful rhinestones on my middle and ring finger. I'm going to apply some top coat so it can act like glue and apply the red glitter. I cured the nails to make sure the glitter is secure, but I will be adding top coat to secure it even more. I'm going to apply some top coat. I'm going to be applying some top coat so it can act like glue and apply the red rhinestones. And of course, use a handy dandy tweezer, because these rhinestones, for the life of me, are the difficult thing to put in your nails, and to fix them the way you want them, yeah, you will need some tweezers. I apologize for the bad view. I didn't even realize till now that I'm editing the video, but pretty much I was rearranging them into my cuticle area. I cured them for 120 seconds or until dry, and I added a bit more of the top coat to secure them even more. So the only thing missing here would be the cuticle oil, but technically these nails are it. I hope you guys like them, and see you guys on my next video. Have a great day and happy Valentine's. I'll probably see you guys next week, but happy Valentine's Day. Love you guys.